Hey everyone, good evening. I hope you guys are having a great Thursday. Can you guys quickly confirm if you are able to hear me and see me clearly? Today we're going to look at the third lecture of probability, where we'll be discussing dice-based probability. So far in the first lecture we had looked at probabilities introduction, we had looked at different kinds of events, we had looked at different scenarios. Yesterday we had looked at coin-based probability, and today we are going to talk about dice-based probability. My name is Amit Surana. Hello Himanshu, blessed evening to you as well. I have over 7 years of experience teaching quantitative aptitude and other aspects of the test. Please don't forget to follow #CatLiveDaily on Instagram. It is a pleasure here also, Himanshu. Thank you so much, buddy. Please get yourselves added to these two Telegram groups if you haven't already. The links are provided in the description below. Please get yourselves added to them. Today's agenda, pretty simple. We'll be looking at dice-based probability, some questions from there. We'll be learning how to calculate the sample space. We'll be doing some standard questions from dice. We'll be looking at least and at most problems, just like in coins we did, and this time a little different from coins is what? Math-based problems. Yes, this is very important for dice-based probability problems. Okay, now math-based problems, you have to be a little good at number systems. Yes, at least the common logic, simple logics behind them, multiples, divisibility rules, things like that. Okay, hi Janvi, good evening. Hello Agam, good evening, buddy. Please enroll into one of these batches. These two batches started yesterday. This will be starting on the 26th. You can enroll into one or more than one of them by using my code. You can take a plus subscription by choosing any one of these. Use my code Surana Live and the prices will get slashed by 10%. Apart from that, there's also an offer going on that if you buy a 6-month subscription, 6 months, enough time for you to cover CAT and probably ZAT as well. Yes, you will get 1 extra month on it. Yes, so if you buy a subscription worth 14,760, you get a subscription worth 3,690 for free. Yes, all right, let's start now, shall we? Are you guys ready? Good evening, Janvi. Okay, there are two Janvi. One is Janvi, one is Janvi, and another is Janvi. Nice. Hi Prince, good evening, buddy. Let's start now, shall we? Okay, first let's quickly solve the homework question. This was yesterday's homework question. What was yesterday? Yesterday was 23rd June, right? 23rd June ka homework question. If you haven't done it, it's okay. I'll give you some time now. Quickly do it. If you have done it already, then drop in the answer. Quick. Hanji, answers for this, guys. So what do we have? They're saying there are 4 coins that are tossed. What is the probability of exactly 2 consecutive heads occurring? Yes, exactly 2 consecutive heads occurring when 4 coins are tossed. So first, sample space. What is sample space? 2 to the power 4, which is 16. Yes, now we need to find out consecutive 2 heads. That means, and they've said exactly, that means there are 2 heads which should come together and the other 2 should give you tails, but at different places, need not be together. Yes, so there's 1, 2, 3 items can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Because T and T are duplicate, you need to remove their arrangements. Apart from that, what is up with H? H and H can arrange themselves in 2 factorial ways, but since H and H are equal, it doesn't matter whether it is H, H, T, T, or whether it is second wala H first and first wala H second. It doesn't matter because heads is heads. Yes, so what do you get here? 3 ways. So your favorable outcomes are 3, total number of outcomes are 16. So what's your answer? Yes guys, what would be your answer? What's the probability? Probability of consecutive heads and the other 2 remaining tails would be what? Anyone? 3 upon 16. Yes. This is clear, no? I hope there's no doubts here. No doubts, no questions, anyone? Yes? Okay, beautiful. Now, before we move on to dice based problems for today, आज का question करने के पहले, hi अजय, वणक्कम तंबी எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? சாப்பிட்டீங்களா? Okay, iconic subscription for people who are preparing for not just for CAT 21 but for CAT 22, for other management entrance tests. Yes, you can go for the iconic subscription if you're someone who needs a mentor. Yes, a mentor will help you, will give you guidance throughout. A proper plan will be given to you. You can ask any doubts to your mentor, whether it is academics related, CAT related, admissions related, application related, profile related, any doubts. Yes, so you can ask them. These mentors are alumni of top B schools. Yes, you have 24 months and 12 months package. Use my code Surana Live and get a 10% discount. Yes. Chalo, that being said, let's quickly start with dice based problems. Are you guys ready? If you are ready, quickly hit like and we'll start. Yes, let's talk about sample space. So a dice is a cube on which there are numbers. There are either numbers put on the cubes, on the sides of the cubes, or there are dots. Each dot represent 1. So if there's 1 dot, then it is 1, 2 dots, 2, 3 dots, 3. We've all seen a dice in our life, right? We've all seen a dice. Now, what happens when you roll it? How many possible outcomes does it have? It has 6 outcomes, right? Numbers from 1 till 6. Yes, natural numbers from 1 till 6. Correct? So the number of terms when one die is rolled is 6. Then if 2 dice are rolled, what would happen? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities here. On the second dice also you will have 6 possibilities. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 and 6, there will be 36 possibilities. Yes, how many? 36 possibilities. You will have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, and so on. Yes, so 36, what is it? 6 square. So if 3 dice are rolled, guys, quickly, 3 dice are rolled, what will happen? If 3 dice are rolled, what is the sample space then? Sample space will be 6 cube, right? What is 6 cube? 216. Now guys, please listen to this. Yes, please listen to this. You have to be at least, if not 5, 6, 7, but at least know 4 powers of 6. Okay, this will make it easy for you when you have some complex questions, right? What is 6 power 4? 36 square, which is 1296. Yes. After this, if there are 5, 6, 7, then you can use the calculator in CAT, or you can sit and do the calculation manually also. Nobody is going to ask you. Okay. Yeah. Hello Gaurav. Hi Dheer. Any book for full length book? IPMAT, Rohtak. Dheer, see, I am not somebody who normally suggests books, because books are good for practice, yes, but for concepts, I think video lectures or lectures attending in live lectures will be definitely more useful. Okay. Chalo, so if there are n dice that are rolled, if n dice are rolled, then what will you get? 6 to the power n terms in the sample space. Yes, 6 to the power n terms. Now let's quickly have an example. Try this question out quick. They're asking, what is the probability of a prime number appearing on a dice that is thrown? Quickly do this. For test also you can use online platforms. No, on Unacademy for IPMAT there are a lot of tests. Under Unacademy you can select the goal as IPMAT. You will have a lot of tests purely based on IPMAT. There will be some tests under CAT also. CAT and other management test, under that also you will have some tests. So you can try these. Superb. A common misconception, guys, common misconception. So let's say our set is F, okay, favorable, total outcomes S. One dice will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They want prime numbers. A very common mistake is considering 1 as prime. Is 1 prime? No, it is not prime. It is not composite either. Yes, what is the definition of a prime number? A number that has exactly 2 factors. Exactly 2 factors. That is prime. What is composite? More than 2 factors. It has to have more than 2 factors. That is composite. 1 has only 1 factor, that is itself. Yes, that is why 1 is not prime nor composite. Okay, so our favorable outcomes would be what? Prime numbers that are 2, 3 and 5. So what's the probability? Probability of prime numbers appearing is going to be P लिख दिया, F लिख लो, favorable out of sample, that is 3 out of 6, which is nothing but 1 by 2. Yes, so if there is 1 by 2 50% chance of a prime number appearing, then there will be 50% chance of a composite number appearing, correct? Composite number appearing will also be 152. Agreed? Yes, no guys? यहीं पे मार खाते हैं, यहीं पे मार खाते हैं, right? This is why I spend so much time in explaining what is a composite number. Yes, more than 2 factors, तो 1 भी नहीं आएगा, 1 will also not be there. So number of composite numbers will be what? Just 4 and 6. Yes, only 4 and 6, only 2 terms are composite, 1 नहीं है. So this is not true. Okay. Yes, so probability of a composite number will be what? 2 out of 6, which is 1 by 3. Got it? 3 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 1 out of 6 will be what? Not prime, not composite. Probability of not prime, not composite is what? 1 out of 6. This 1 is neither prime nor composite. Cool. Ajay, for more than one dice, they can't directly say prime. So it will either be sum of the numbers, adding whatever comes, 1 and 5, so 1 plus 5, 6, sum of the numbers, or it will be product of the numbers, so that will be given. That we will see in math based, okay? Towards the end of the class, we will have math based problems, we'll see that, okay? Okay guys, if you haven't already blocked Mission IIM, please do that. Yes. Only good thing that started with Mission was Mission Impossible. Yes. So if you haven't already blocked him, her, them, they, whatever that person is, please block them right away. Okay, quickly try now. Quickly try. A die is thrown once. What is the probability that the score is nothing but whatever turns up, number that turns up, okay? Number that turns up. That is nothing but score. One by 6 says Janvi. Janvi, factor of 6. What do you mean by factor? Factor is a number. A factor can divide a number. Can divide 6. In this case, a factor is a number that can divide 6. A, B, C, D. सारे आ गए. A, B, C, D. Okay, let's quickly check. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can 1 divide 6? 6 by 1. Is it divisible? Yes. 6 by 2. Is it divisible? Yes. 6 by 3, is it divisible? Yes. 6 by 4, is it divisible? When I say divisible, I should get an integer value. 6 by 1, 6. 6 by 2, 3. 6 by 3, 2. When I divide 6 by 4, what will I get? I'll get 1.5. Is it divisible? No. Same way, 6 by 5, 1.2. Nope. But what about 6 by 6? Yes. So how many terms? How many terms that can divide 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you able to get this? So favorable outcomes include what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 6, which is 4 terms. So what's your probability? Sample space will be 6. Probability is going to be 4 upon 6, that is 2 by 3. So what's the answer? Option B, 2 by 3. Okay. So everybody who said B, 2 by 3, that's the right answer. कितनों ने 2 by 3 बोला? तिलगा very good, जानवी very good, बसंत very good, दिव्या superb, जाकिर सर अभी हाउ करके उठा, होमवर्क करके उठा. अच्छा होमवर्क कर, मैं सोचा हाउ करके क्यों उठे, ऐसे कौन उठता है, हाउ करके कौन उठता है? हाँ बस एंजॉय करो और क्या, फैन फॉलोइंग मिल गई यहां से तो ठीक है. ओके, रीड दिस केयरफुली नाउ. पीपल हु समबडी आस्क्ड, राइट, पहले किसी ने पूछा था कि 2 डाइस में भी यही करना है क्या? हु वाज दैट? अजय, तंबी अजय केलंगा. व्हाट डज इट से? What is the probability of getting sum of 7 when 2 dice are thrown? Yes, sum should be 7. Okay, quickly try this. 2 dice are thrown, the sum should be 7. So whatever shows up in die 1 plus whatever shows up in the second dice, they should add up to be 7. Okay. Divya says 1 by 6. All right. Others, Divya says 1 by 6. Okay. Others, quickly try this. The sum should be 7. Sorry, yeah. Others. Basant says none of these. Meher says 1 by 6. Prince, Varun, Sana, Gaurav, Rohit, everybody says 1 by 6. Basant says none of the above. Okay, let's quickly check this. Now the sum should be 7, right? What numbers if you add you will get 7? 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4. Yeah, now if you were smart enough, you will not repeat 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3 again. You will directly do it double. So there are 3 terms, double. 1, 6, 6, 1, 2, 5, 5, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Yes, so there are 6 terms in the favorable events. Yes, and the sample space also, sorry, sample space will have how many? 6 square, that is 36. So what's our probability? Quite simple. Probability of getting the sum to be 7 is what? 6 upon 36. That's nothing but 1 upon 6. Got it? Simple, right? Simple questions. Yeah, chalo, beautiful. Let's move on next. Now before we go to the next part, guys, please notice every Sunday 12 p.m. for 1 hour we do combat. If you get a rank within first 200, then you will get a scholarship. This will include questions from Quant, VARC and LRDI. 30 questions, 60 minutes. Okay, these are easy to medium, so easily you can get a rank within 200. Okay, Basant, definitely reverse allowed. No, definitely reverse allowed. First dice, second dice, 2 different dice, so definitely reverse is allowed. Okay Basant, whether it is told or not, whether it is given or not, logically reverse is allowed. Yes. Alright guys, quick, next question. Jaldi, next question. Now what are they saying? They're saying that 3 dice are rolled. How many? 3 dice are rolled. What is the probability of getting at least 1 5? At least. Do you remember at least? Janvi, if you are already on plus, अगर आप plus पे already हो तो फिर there's no use, no? Already आपने pay कर दिया है तो there's no reimbursement and all. So if you are already on plus, then you can give it for the practice. You can give the test for practice. Yes, because these are interesting questions and at least weekly once एक practice तो हो ही जाएगा आपका, है ना? हाँ जी, quick. jaldi jaldi jaldi. Yesterday we had seen at least. What do you mean by at least? 1 5 के 3 डाइज में से, 3 डाइज में से we should get 5 at one place, 5 in 2 places, or 5 in all the 3 cases. Yes, it does not mean the value must be greater than 5. No, ध्यान से पढ़ना क्वेश्चन को. They're saying what? There should be at least 1 5. एक तो भी 5 आना चाहिए. So if we have die 1, die 2, die 3, we should have 5 or some other number, और 2 5s में 2 5 आएंगे, और 3 5s में all 3 showing 5. Okay, so it's not as direct, is not as simple as you think. थोड़ा सा सोच समझ के आंसर करना. No rush. मैं आपको कोई जल्दबाजी में, I don't want you to push through it. आराम से करेंगे, सही करेंगे. Okay, so Prince and Divya are saying B. Prince and Divya are saying B. Okay, others? Basant is saying B, Shreyashi is saying B, Ajay is saying B, Harshal is saying C. Okay, 83 by 216, we have another contender. Okay, चलो ठीक है, that's okay, very good. Now common sense use करेंगे. Okay, let's quickly try common sense now. 24 by 216, so you're saying none of the above. Varun is saying C. Okay, चलो let's do this. First let's talk about 1 5. There should only be 1 5. Okay, only 1 5, only 1 5. So if there should be only 1 5, only 1 5, yes, 5 यहां पे हो सकता है, 5 can be here, 5 can be here, correct? 5 यहां पे, 5 यहां पे, 5 यहां पे. Yes, so only 1 5 में क्या होगा? Now look at the options. Look at the options. 1 to 6 के बीच में, 1 to 6 के बीच में I cannot have 5 here, क्योंकि मेरे को सिर्फ एक ही 5 चाहिए, because we want only 1 5. This is traditional method. ये traditional method है shortcut weighting. Shortcut में ये question 10 seconds के अंदर अंदर हो जाएगा. Okay? So this can't be 1 to 6 के बीच में 6 numbers है, out of that 5 नहीं हो सकता, मतलब 5 option है. So 5 options here, 5 options here, correct? How many? 25 cases here. Same way here, what will happen? 5 cases, 5 cases, 25 cases here. 5 options, 5 options, 25 options here. So 3 times 25, 75 options with only 1 5. Say yes if you've understood this. हाँ बोलो अगर ये आ गया समझ में तो. आया? Okay, now what do? We go for only 2 5s. Yes, only 2 5s. 3 5s नहीं आना चाहिए, only 2 5s. That means any 2 places we will have 5. Any 2 places we will have 5. Third place कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है 5 के अलावा. 1 2 3 4 6, 5 ऑप्शन है ना? तो यहां पे ऐसे एक एक करने के बदले what you could do, directly go for arrangements. Yes, directly go for arrangements. So how many options will you have here? How many options? 5 options. Yes, यहां पे 5 options है, 5 options. And these 2 terms are fixed. ये दो fixed term है, 5 and 5. Fixed term 5 5 और यहाँ पे 5 options. Yes. So now there are 3 numbers. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. But because 5 and 5 duplicate है, उसका arrangement हम निकाल लेंगे. So what is it? What would you get? 5 into 3, 15 cases. हाँ बोलो अगर समझ में आए तो. Here we have 75 cases, here we have 15 cases, and what about 3 5s? 3 5s? 3 5s में क्या होगा? यहाँ पे भी 5, यहाँ पे भी 5, यहाँ पे भी 5. That means there's only one possibility in each of these, one possibility in each of these. So total you have only one such case. 5 5 5, that's it. वरुण 2 फैक्टोरियल इसलिए क्योंकि ये वाला 5 और ये वाला 5 डुप्लीकेट है ना, 5 और 5 डुप्लीकेट है, इसलिए उनका अरेंजमेंट हम निकाल रहे हैं. 5 और 5 के बीच में आप कितने भी अरेंजमेंट्स करोगे रहेगा तो सेम ही नंबर, इसलिए 2 फैक्टोरियल वी आर रिमूविंग. सो टोटल हाउ मच डू यू हैव? टोटल 75 plus 15 90, 90 plus 1 91. Are you getting this guys? टोटल कितना हो गया? 91 हो गया. So probability of getting at least 1 5 is what? 91 upon what is the sample space? Because 3 dice are rolled, 6 to the power 3, 216. What's our answer? A, जो कि बहुत कम लोगों ने बोला. हाँ बोलो अगर ये वाला समझ में आया. तो ये ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से, दिस इज बाय ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट, इट्स अ लिटिल annoying also, but I will tell you a shortcut. But before that, tell me if you understood this. Yeah, beautiful. Because nobody said A. because nobody said A, B आ गया, C आ गया, D भी आ गया, इसलिए. Okay. Now let's go for the shortcut. Listen to this. We want at least 1 5. That means only 1 5, only 2 5s, only 3 5s. Yes. Only 1, only 2 and all 3 5s. टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज में टोटल कितना है? 6 क्यूब. 216 में से ये अगर है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? व्हाट विल बी द कॉम्प्लीमेंट गाइस? व्हाट विल बी द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस? 1 5 2 5 3 5. कॉम्प्लीमेंट क्या होगा? नो 5s. करेक्ट. नन ऑफ द ब्लैंक शुड शो अ 5. तीनों में 5 नहीं आना चाहिए. यस. सो नो 5 मीन्स व्हाट? यहां पे 5 ऑप्शंस रहेंगे 1 से लेके 6 तक, 1 से लेके 6 तक, बट नॉट 5 को छोड़ के. तो कितने ऑप्शंस? 5 ऑप्शंस हियर, 5 ऑप्शंस हियर, 5 ऑप्शंस हियर. दिस इज नॉट द नंबर, ये नंबर ऑफ ऑप्शंस है. 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6. yes, this is how much? 5 cube 125. yes. So if out of 216 125 cases is no 5s, then at least 1 5 will be how much? 216 minus 125, which is how much? 91. Simple. Yes guys, say yes if you've understood the shortcut method. It's very important that you have both in hand. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि if we had, let's say 6 dice are rolled, at least 1 5, at least 2 5, at least 3 5, दोनों मेथड काम आएंगे. ओके cool guys. If you've understood this, फटाफट hit like on this video. I'm not seeing a lot of likes on the video. It's actually very disturbing. बहुत दुख हो रहा है मेरे को नंबर ऑफ लाइक्स देख. चलो फटाफट लाइक कर लो. अगर ये वाला शॉर्टकट आपको समझ में आया तो फटाफट से लाइक करो and we'll move on to the next one. Cool everyone? Okay. Read the question carefully and then we'll do it. Okay, read the question carefully, then we'll do it. If 4 dice are rolled, number of dice 4, what is the probability that the sum of the numbers obtained is at least 22? So what is it? Die 1 plus die 2 plus die 3 plus die 4 should be at least 22. That means greater than or equal to. Lot of people at least में equal to भूल जाते हैं, right? Don't forget this. Okay, so I've given you a hint. Quickly try this. मैंने आपको hint दे दिया, जल्दी से try करो. Yes everyone, start using everything that you have learnt in PNC. permutation and combination में जो भी आपने पढ़ा है, this would be a very good time for you to use it. Very good time to use it. आराम से करो, but don't rush. Okay, फट से भाग के आंसर मत करो. Do it carefully. Yes. Okay, Gaurav, Harshal and Shreyashi are saying B, 5 by 432. Beautiful. How about others? How about others? Neha says 5 by 432. Okay. और कोई? Okay, so normally if this question was, agar normally the situation was, there are four natural numbers, their sum should be greater than equal to 22. तो हम क्या करते? We would have 22. Yes, four natural numbers, 22. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 22 such numbers. लेफ्ट में, राइट में, लेफ्ट में, राइट में, लेफ्ट में, राइट में, लेफ्ट में, राइट में, यू विल हैव ब्लैंक्स. लास्ट में नहीं रहेगा, यहां पे. यस, सो हाउ मेनी ब्लैंक्स वुड यू हैव? यू वुड हैव, लेफ्ट में नहीं रहेगा, सॉरी, बीच में रहेगा बस. सो यू विल हैव 21 ब्लैंक्स. 21 ब्लैंक्स में से आप 3 प्लस साइंस सेलेक्ट करोगे. अगर ये आपको नहीं समझ में आया, देन गो फॉर द लास्ट लेक्चर ऑन कॉम्बिनेशंस. कॉम्बिनेशंस का लास्ट लेक्चर देखना, वहां पे मैंने ये बताया. But here we have a restriction. What is the restriction? If we do it using this, what will happen? We will have a situation where we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 19. Is it allowed? Guys, is this allowed? Yes or no? Quickly tell me, is this allowed? Definitely not. Why? Because we have restrictions. Yes, maximum number that you can get is 6 only. Maximum number is 6 only, right? So what do you do here? You will have to think of alternative methods, right? Think of alternative methods. कहां पे sum 22 आएगा? Let's max everything out. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus, so what is this? 18. 18 plus 4 is equal to 22. Correct? Do you guys agree with this? इसके अलावा और कहां पे आएगा? What other case? What if this is 6 plus 6 plus, I remove 1 here, I add 1 here, 5 and 5. इसका सम भी 22 होगा, हाँ या ना? Yes. Now is there any other possibility? इसका अरेंजमेंट होगा, डेफिनेटली, बट इसके अलावा और कोई पॉसिबिलिटी है? नो, राइट? 6565 इसका अरेंजमेंट है गौरव. 6565 is its arrangement. We will do arrangement now. Possible numbers, just selection कर रहे हैं, अरेंजमेंट करेंगे. वेट. यस, सो 22 का सीन सॉर्टेड है. 22 के कितने वेज होंगे? वी हैव 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, 4 factorial arrangements by 1, 2, 3 duplicates. तीनों 6 duplicates. So we remove it how many ways? 4 ways. Yeah. Same way here for 22, what will happen? 4 numbers, 4 factorial arrangement. Beautiful. But 2 6s are duplicate. ये दोनों duplicate है, ये दोनों duplicate है. So 2 factorial you remove. You will have what? 4 factorial by 4, which is 3 factorial 6. Got it? So this is not what you will use here. Please don't use this here because there is restrictions and then you can't do restrictions there, right? It will become more complex. Is this the answer though? यहाँ पे खत्म हो गया क्या? Not yet. We also have other numbers. What are the other numbers? 23. So when will you have 23? You will have 23 when you do 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5. 18 plus 5, 23. उसके अलावा और कुछ कर सकते हैं? If this is 4, then one number at least have to be 7. Can't happen. Yes, so 23 का सिर्फ एक possibility. 23 का सिर्फ एक possibility. Next number is 24, only one possibility. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Yes. तो इस केस में क्या होगा? Again 4 numbers, 4 factorial, 3 duplicates. Remove that 4 ways. In this case, only one way. 6 6 6 6 सारे 6 सेम है। जानवी, वाई आर वी रिमूविंग 3 फैक्टोरियल? बिकॉज ये 3 6 जो है वो डुप्लीकेट है, ये 6 ये 6 ये 6 डुप्लीकेट्स। जब कभी भी आप डुप्लीकेट्स देखते हैं तो उनका अरेंजमेंट निकालते हैं, करेक्ट? वेन एवर वी सी डुप्लीकेट्स वी रिमूव द अरेंजमेंट। सो टोटल हाउ मेनी वेज? 10 15 ways. So favorable outcomes 15. Sample space 4 dice are rolled. 4 dice. 4 dice क्या है? 6 to the power 4, which is 1296. So what's your probability? Probability is 15 upon 1296. 15 3 times is 5 3 times is 15. 1296 is 432 times. So what's your probability? 5 upon 432. Got it, everyone? So these questions, these kind of questions are math based. That means you can't simply blindly follow the logic of permutation combination. You will have to have both. You need permutation combination as well as you will need math based logic also. Cool? Chalo, beautiful. So if you've understood this, guys, don't forget to hit like. Okay, everybody who said B, amazing work, very nice. दिव्या, इसका ये सबसे शॉर्ट है, इसका कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, बिकॉज देर आर कंस्ट्रेंट्स। इसका कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, सबसे शॉर्ट वे है, ठीक है? एनी डाउट्स गाइस? चलेंगे नेक्स्ट, चलो। Okay, before we move on to the next one, ask a doubt feature is available for all of them. This is a free feature. You don't have to pay anything for being able to ask doubts on the app, so you can directly ask doubts. Click on ask doubts. You will have options to take a picture or choose one from the gallery. Select करो कौन से में doubt है and give some details and you will get the solution for it. ठीक है? चलो, let's quickly go on to the next question now. Hi Dev, hello. हाँ जी गाइस, रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली, आराम से पढ़ो और करो, ठीक है? नो रश देयर, नो रश। They're saying if 2 dice are thrown, then what is the probability that the number obtained on one dice is a factor of that on the other dice? Just giving you an example. अगर एक dice में, let's say in one dice we are getting a number 2, on the other dice we are getting a number 6, then this will be counted. Why? Because 2 is a factor of 6. Yes. If on one number you are getting, let's say 1, or let's say 3, on the other number you are getting 4, this will not be counted. Why? Because 3 is not a factor of 4, and vice versa, 4 is not a factor of 3. Got it? I'm giving you hints. Use these hints. Try and think of this question. Okay? Chalo, quickly try karo. Quickly try this. गौरव सेज ए, ओके, गौरव बोल रहे हैं ए. प्रिंस सेज 1/3 which is none of the above, okay. Others, Ajay also says A, 7 by 18. All right. Don't worry if you are not getting the right answer guys, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ऐसा स्ट्रेस मत लो, ऐसा सर मत पकड़ के बैठ जाओ कि क्या सर हमसे तो ये भी नहीं हुआ. Don't worry, chill. This is the first time you are seeing a question like this. It's okay. Relax. Shreyashi says A, Meher says A. Okay. So there are again two ways of doing this. We'll first do it in the traditional method. Okay. Traditional method में क्या होगा? Let's take one of the dice. Okay, dice 1, dice 2, dice 1, dice 2. Okay, let's say first dice में 1 आ रहा है. You know that 1 is a factor of every number. 1 जो है हर नंबर का फैक्टर है, करेक्ट. 1 is a factor of 1, 1 is a factor of 2, 1 is a factor of 3, 1 is a factor of 4, 1 is a factor of 5, 1 is a factor of 6. Yes बोलो अगर समझ में आया तो. Say yes if you agree with this. Yeah, so how many possibilities here? 6 possibilities here. Next take 2. तो इसमें क्या होगा, रिवर्स भी काउंट हो जाएगा. I'll show you how. 2 का कौन सा फैक्टर्स है? 2 का 1 and 2, करेक्ट. 2 के फैक्टर्स, this is the number, दिस इज द फैक्टर. ओके, तो ऐसे क्या होगा, डुप्लीकेशन जहां कहीं पर भी होगा उल्टा करके डुप्लीकेशन, फिर वो बैठ के निकालो, उसका झंझट चला जाए. 2 के फैक्टर्स क्या है? 1 और 2. सो देयर आर 2 केसेस हियर. 3 के फैक्टर्स क्या क्या है? 1 and 3. 3 प्राइम है तो 1 and 3 दो फैक्टर्स. यस, सो देयर आर 2 केसेस हियर. 4 के फैक्टर्स क्या क्या है? 4 के फैक्टर्स 1, 2 and 4, करेक्ट. 1, 2, 4 सारे हैं फैक्टर्स. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor. Yes, so कितने? 3 cases here. What about 5? 1 and 5. How many cases? 2 cases, 2 factors. How about 6? We have 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself also. Correct? Yes. कोई डाउट अब इसमें? Any doubt? Now what did we do? We only counted the factors, right? We only counted what? The factors. Yes, 10, 12. Yeah, we only counted the factors. But do we have anywhere, do we have say 2,6, 2,6 ये वाला अपन मिस आउट कर दिए. डिड वी मिस आउट 2,6? यस. जब अपन ने फर्स्ट डाइस 2 लिया था, when we took first dice to be 2, we did not consider 6. So we should also consider the multiples, है ना. We should also consider the multiples. Yes. तो क्या क्या होगा? 1 के केस में मल्टीपल्स आ गए सारे. 2 के केस में क्या होगा? 2 के, अच्छा वेट, अपन ने उल्टा कर दिया. सॉरी, वी वेंट द अदर वे अराउंड. वी शुड गो फॉर मल्टीपल्स, नॉट फॉर फैक्टर्स. मल्टीपल्स पे जाना था, ठीक है. सो 1 का मल्टीपल, 1 का फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 ही रहेगा. 1 का फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 ही रहेगा. ओके, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 सब नहीं रहेगा. सॉरी, only 1 case here. These are factors. Now we have to go for multiples also. Multiples. Yes. 1,1 हो गया. 1,1 हो गया. बाकी का क्या बचता है? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,1 हो गया. 2,2 हो गया. बाकी क्या बचता है? 4, 6. 3,1, 3,3 हो गया. बाकी क्या बचता है? 3,6. यस. 4 का कुछ है? 4 का कोई मल्टीपल? 4, 8 नहीं. 4,4 हो चुका है. नन, 0. तो यहां पे कितने केस है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 केसेस हियर, 2 केसेस हियर, 1 केस हियर. यस. 5 के कोई मल्टीपल्स? नो. 6 के कोई मल्टीपल्स? नो. ठीक है. नाउ यू हैव टू ऐड. दिस इज ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. जल्दबाजी मत करो गाइस. दिस इज ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. ओके, शॉर्टकट है इसका. तो इस सबको ऐड करो. अभी कितना हो गया? 3, 5, 8, 10, 14, 14, 16 and 22. सो टोटल कितने हुए? टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज फेवरेबल आउटकम्स के कितने? 22. सैंपल में कितने? 2 डाइस आर थ्रोन, 36. व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी? प्रोबेबिलिटी इज व्हाट? 22/36 विच इज 11/18. तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जब when I was doing this I itself got confused, right? मैंने ये क्वेश्चन देखा हुआ है, मैं ही कंफ्यूज हो गया. तो what could be expected when we see this question up front? कभी नया देखेंगे क्वेश्चन तो क्या करेंगे? फिर अटक जाएंगे, right? So shortcut. Yes, shortcut में क्या होगा? What will happen in shortcut? We will consider what terms they want factors of one another. Yes, so what will be the complement of it? Non-factors. Yes, जिनके कोई factors ना हो. Non-factor terms क्या बुलाते हैं? Co-primes. करेक्ट. नॉन फैक्टर टर्म्स को क्या बुलाते हैं? को-प्राइम्स. को-प्राइम्स आर नंबर्स जिसका HCF 1 होता है, LCM उनका प्रोडक्ट होता है. याद आ रहा है? यस. तो 1 is not co-prime with anything, 2 is co-prime with 3, 2 is co-prime with 5. That's it. Yes. 3 is co-prime with 2, 3 is co-prime with 5. That's it. 4 is co-prime with 6, not co-prime, but definitely what happens here? 4,6 में क्या हो जाता है? 4 is not a factor of 6. Yes, so we will consider 4,6. Yes, what about 5 now? 5,2. Yes, 5,3. Yes. Then you have 6,4. That's it. तो कितने टर्म्स हो गए? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. क्या 8 क्यों आ रहे हैं? We should have 14 terms. Sorry, 4,6, 4,3. Sorry, 4,3, 4,5, 4,6. Sorry. भाग के हो रहा है, राइट? सो 2,3, 2,5, 2,1 फैक्टर है, 2,4 फैक्टर है, 2,6 फैक्टर है, जाने दो. यस. देन यू हैव 3,1 फैक्टर है, 3,2 नहीं है, 3,3 फैक्टर है, 3,5 नहीं है, 3,6 फैक्टर है. 4,1 है, 4,2 है, 4,3 नहीं है, 4,4 है, 4,5 नहीं है, 4,6 नहीं है. 5,1 है, 5,2 नहीं है, 5,3 नहीं है, 5,4 नहीं है, भूल ही गए थे. 5,5 है, 5,6 नहीं है. यस. इसमें भी गलती होती है गाइस. या सो 6,1 है, 6,2 है, 6,3 है, 6,4 नहीं है, 6,5 नहीं है. Okay, so whatever method involves a lot of counting, you have to be very, very, very careful about it. Yes, guys, please be careful about it. तो कितना हो गया? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. कौन छूट गया भाई? कौन छूट गया है? कोई तो एक छूट गया. 5,4 है, 4,5 है, दोनों है. क्या छूट गया? कि काउंटिंग गलत हो गई. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. कुछ एक छूट गया. हाँ, 3,4. माफी. हाँ, 3,4 छूट गया. सो देर आर 6 टर्म्स जो क्या है? नॉन फैक्टर्स है. 6 terms are non-factors. If 6 terms are non-factors, that means 36 में से 6 terms non-factor है, तो कितने फैक्टर है? 22. 22/36 is your probability. ठीक है. My bad. जल्दबाजी में 3,4 भूल गए थे. ठीक है. So these are math based problems. You have to be a little careful about this, right? कभी कभी क्या होता है? You miss out things. जल्दबाजी में you miss out things. Okay? डन. 5,6 अपन ने ले लिया, 5,6 भी ले लिया, 6,5 भी ले लिया अपन ने, 4,3 लिया था, 3,4 भूल गए थे. डन. कूल. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. शैल वी ट्राई दिस वन आउट? ये ध्यान से पढ़ना. What is this? If 4 dice are rolled, what is the probability that the product of the numbers obtained is divisible by 5? Varun, we did it in 2 methods. No, the other method was shortcut only. See, math-based problems, please remember, math-based problems, you have to try them out because there are separate constraints for math-based problems. Yes, बहुत सारे constraints होते हैं for math-based problems, so you can't expect a 30-second shortcut and all. 10 seconds में हो जाए, 20 seconds में हो जाए, नहीं, at least 30 seconds तो लगेंगे कोई भी question करने में. Okay? Okay, Varun? किसका नॉन फैक्टर्स? हाँ सॉरी, कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक. 14 ठीक है ना, जल्दबाजी में हो गया. 14 36 माइनस 14 22. सॉरी, काउंट सही कर लिया फिर गलत लिख लिया. पानी पीने का टाइम आ गया. Cheers guys to all the mistakes that we made in the previous question. Cheers, cheers, cheers. चलो ये वाला ट्राई करो. Quick. If you have understood all the questions that we did today, you will be able to answer this question आसानी से. You will definitely be able to answer this question. ये मेरी guarantee है. My guarantee, you will definitely be able to answer this question if you have understood all the questions that we did today. Okay, Ajay Kumar says B. Ajay Kumar says B. 5 to the power 4 by 6 to the power 4. Very good. Okay. ठीक है. Others? Anurag, we will not be getting that complex questions. CAT में इतने complex questions नहीं आएंगे, so don't worry about all that. See, when it comes to CAT, because not just engineers, not just math background, non-math background guys also take CAT, right? So you will not get that complex. Advanced math में इतना complex questions नहीं आएंगे. Okay? हाँ गाइस, अदर्स नहीं. Product must be, what are they saying? Product must be divisible by 5. Janvi also says B. 5 to the power 4 by 6 to the power 4. Okay. Oh, Anurag, in that case we will do advanced math अलग से फिर. IPMAT का advanced math we will do separately then. Okay? Advanced math for IPMAT, I didn't know you are preparing for IPMAT. Advanced math for IPMAT we will be doing separately. But again, you don't have to know that complex concepts. Advanced math में से you will only get PNC and probability most frequently, but if you are talking about differentiability, if you are talking about continuity, all that is advanced math for engineering base. If you have taken science, 11th 12th में science लिया है, then you see it. Otherwise very rare cases, in fact 0 cases, but okay. Yeah, Anurag, we'll be doing advanced math for IPMAT on YouTube real soon. Okay, I'll give you an update on that. Join the group, Telegram group, Surana Live Cat. I will share the schedule once it's up. Okay. Ajay has a doubt. Okay, Ajay, Rema, Neha, Shreyashi. Correct, Janvi. So this is very similar. This is very similar to your previous case where we saw what? At least 1 5. Correct? Because if the product, if A into B into C into D A, B, C, D must be a multiple of 5. If A, B, C and D must be a multiple of 5 because 5 is a prime number. Because 5 is a prime number, you should have a 5 or a multiple of 5 in any of these. So either A should be 5 or A and B should be 5 or A, B and C should be 5 or all the 4 numbers should be 5. Correct? A, B, C, D, all the numbers should be 5. Yes. If only one number is 5, this is what? Only 1 5. Are you able to connect the dots now? What is this? Only 1 5. What is this? Only 2 5s. What is this? Only 3 5s. And what is this? All 4 5s. This is nothing but at least 1 5. Yeah, so which method will you use now? Will you sit and do for all of these? No, directly use the shortcut. Total will be how many? 6 to the power 4. Total is what? 6 to the power 4, right? Out of that, if you have at least 1 5 on one side, then the complement will be what? No 5s. No 5s matlab kya? 1, 2, 3, 4 slots from 1 till 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 5 cases you will have. This is what? This is 5 to the power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 is what? 5 to the power 4. So what will happen here? Probability. Let me do it here. Probability of getting at least 1 5 or getting the product to be multiple of 5 is what? 1 minus probability of not getting a multiple of 5, which is what? 1 minus 5 power 4 by 6 power 4. What is this? Answer option C. So people who selected B, this is the probability of getting no 5s. Yes, what do we want? We want at least 1 5. Say yes if you've understood this. Okay, Anurag, if you are having doubts about this, we'll discuss this when we talk about IPMAT separately, okay? I'll give you an update on Surana Live Cat when we talk about advanced math there. That way you will, all your doubts about that will get cleared. Yes? Satish, these kind of questions that we are doing now, definitely they do. These questions come in CAT, definitely they do. Yes? आ गया था 671 by 1294. Sad. ठीक है, चलता है, no issues. कंपेयर करने में हो जाता है गलती, कंपेयर करने में. The problem with MCQ, especially when you have these kind of questions, is that your answer must match the answer choices. So there you can't rush. Very good guys, superb. So if you've understood all the questions what we've done today, please don't forget to hit like here, okay? Don't forget to like this video. Yeah? Chalo, with this guys, our dice based problems is done. Yes, we are done with dice based problems. So what are we done with? Intro done, probability. Under probability we are done with intro, we are done with coin, we are done with dice. Yes, tomorrow we are going to see, tomorrow 25th June, what are we going to see? Cards. Yes, cards based probability tomorrow we will do. Yes. Apart from this guys, apart from this we are also doing, so these classes happen at 8 p.m, 8 to 9. At 3 p.m. also we are doing classes. Today we did geometry's first lecture, lines and angles. So you can again join in the 3 p.m. class because we have only done one lecture. Lines and angles ही हुआ है अभी तक. Yes. Tomorrow we will be doing triangles. So you can, watch this 1 hour का class ही है तो complete lines and angles. You can join in for triangles का session tomorrow at on 25th June at 3 p.m. Yes, for all of these cases, guys, please join this Telegram group so that I can give you updates every time I put up a schedule, right? So I put up a schedule, I'll pin it in that particular group ताकि आपको पता चलता रहे कि what have I planned. Yes. Yeah. And we will soon be starting special classes also for geometry and for probability. Very soon we will be starting. Yes. So you can join in plus by taking the subscription. If you're preparing only for CAT and maybe ZAT, then if you take a 6-month subscription, you will get 1 month subscription extra free. Yes, take 6 months, get 1 month free. Use my code Surana Live to get 10% discount. This is the highest discount any code will provide, 10%. अगर इससे ज़्यादा भी मिल रहा है तो कुछ तो झोल है, okay? And you can go for iconic subscription also. By iconic subscription, you have a personal mentor who will help you with everything. There's a plus, all the benefits of plus will be included, plus personal mentor, plus you will get additional reports and analysis of the test, mock test, quizzes that you have given, and standalone batches for OMET's preparation. Okay, so you can join this, take 24 or 12-month subscription. Use my code Surana Live for a 10% discount here also. Yes. Cool, guys. Don't forget to hit like on this video before moving. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so far. Thank you so much for joining in this class. Prince, stop using Google Translate, man. It's never going to help you. Google Translate mat use karo. Janvi, is there any plus or special classes going on Unacademy? Yes, Janvi. Join the Telegram group. Join Telegram group and I'll help you there, right? I'll give you the schedule there. Okay. Thank you so much, Ajay. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great night ahead. I will see you tomorrow. I'll give you the schedule for everything that we have planned. Keep yourselves safe. Keep yourselves happy. Keep learning and let's crack it.